Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take ICT class with the students of class 9 on the topic second assignment. I am repeating, today our topic is Assignment 2 and this is lecture number 6 and there is no homework for today's class. You have to just submit your assignment. So students, please take your notebook and writing elements. I'm going to discuss on the topic of your second assignment. So listen to me. From chapter 1, you have to give the answer of assignment 2. Chapter 1 is Information and Communication Technology and Our Bangladesh. Lesson number and topics: the 21st century and information and communication technology with ICT personalities, e-learning and Bangladesh, e-governance and Bangladesh, e-service and Bangladesh, e-commerce and Bangladesh, ICT in the job sector of Bangladesh, social networking and ICT, entertainment and ICT, digital Bangladesh. Now I'm going to talk about assignment or assigned task. Make a 300-word report on e-service, e-commerce, e-governance have made our lives easier in digital Bangladesh. So what you have to do for your assignment 2? You have to write a report on how e-service, e-commerce, e-governance have made your lives easier in our digital Bangladesh. So look, some instructions for you. Number 1, beginning part. In beginning part, you have to mention main title, recipient name, address. In number 2, main part, idea about the subject, main report. And for this, first option is presenting what is e-service, e-governance and e-commerce. And secondly, a description of the benefits of these services in our daily lives. And number 3, a description of how all these services have made our lives easier. And at last, for main part, conclusion and recommendations. Number 3, appendix, information, instructions, bibliography, committee list and related matters. So these are the instructions for you. Now students, I have tried to show how you will write your report. First, in your writing, you have to mention the date and whom you are writing. You are writing to the headmaster, National Ideal English Version School with address Monastery, Dhaka. Then you have to write the subject. So what's the subject? The subject is e-service, e-commerce, e-governance have made your lives easier in digital Bangladesh. Then you will mention sir, and there you will write your name, your class and your report that you want to send to the headmaster. And after that, you will write e-service, e-commerce, e-governance. And here you have to mention these instructions. First, you have to present what is e-service, e-governance and e-commerce. Then you have to write the benefits of these services in our daily lives. How can we use this in our daily lives? And how these services have made our lives easier. So these 3 points you have to mention in the main part, and at last you have to write a conclusion and recommendations. So why we will use this e-service, e-commerce, e-governance and how these are changing our lives easily. In short, you will write in conclusion. Then you will write about conclusion, and in this you will write how all these services have made our life easier. Suppose you can write the name, electronic money transfer system, MTS. Here you have to explain how these are changing our lives, how these are making our lives easier. About e-healthcare, about e-ticketing. Here I didn't write all these. You have to think about this, how they are changing our lives, how they are making our lives easier. So you have to write the names or points of this, how these services are changing our lives. And at last you have to write the reporter's name, class, role and the recipient's name. Students, please look at this. You have to write in this way. You have to complete your report in this way, and here you have to give a description of e-service, e-commerce, e-governance, maintaining the instructions. And students, the submission date of your assignment is 25th September 2021. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood how you have to prepare your assignment. See you in our next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.